The UK Supreme Court has voted unanimously that Boris Johnson's suspension of Parliament was unlawful. Lady Hale said that the prorogation was void and of no effect, and that Parliament has not been prorogued. She says it's for the Speaker to decide what to do next, and essentially it prevented Parliament from carrying its duties in the crucial period before the Brexit deadline. Of course, we have seen fairly predictable calls from the SNP for Boris Johnson to resign, but certainly it does seem like we've got further volatility ahead when it comes to the pound. We're going to look at the pound, in particular the likes of euro sterling. Here we've got it on the daily time frame. You can see off the back of a period of strength for the pound, of course weakness for this pair with the euro dollar, with the euro suffering against the pound, and certainly the breakdown through this 88.92 mark was particularly telling. Utilising that as resistance, we have been seeing some gains over the past couple of days, but really it does look likely that we are going to falter once more. This 4-hour chart, we can see the creation of lower highs once again likely to come into play as long as we don't break through that 88.92 resistance mark. You can see the very gradual ascent and sideways price action, even better on the hourly time frame. We can see here in terms of those higher lows, that's been negated now with the breakdown through the 88.15 mark. So it does look likely that this pair is going to turn lower from here, despite the fact that we have recovered some of those immediate losses. Finally, turning to the pound against the US dollar, again we have seen those initial upside moves really starting to fade, but certainly it does look like we're potentially coming back into a bullish trend. That 76.4 at 125.88 is going to be important, but certainly there is a case to say that we are now likely retracing this move from 123.92, and that we could start to see some upside come into play. For those bulls to really come back into the fort, you are going to want to see a breakthrough at 125.81 level.